Okay.
Hi, we're here. We're here again, Alex and Sandra from Alex and Sandra's vlog. Now we waited for a while after our ginger tea to have lunch. Yesterday for the first time we ate here and I tell you it was so good. And we've decided to have a full meal for the two of us. Yesterday we shared our food. Okay, so here we are at Service Road, still at the back of Gleneagles Hospital, Service Road.
Yes.
Okay, and this is the Mr. Mutu, who cooks and serves all this food. Huh?
Indian foods.
Indian food. And that's his son there. Oh, what a wonderful chap. Okay, so we are going, if you are interested in home cooked food, he cooks himself. Mr. Mutu cooks the food all by himself. And again, he is located behind Gleneagles Hospital on Service Road, and he operates from about 11:30 for an hour or two, just to serve the lunch crowd from the hospital. So if you're ever interested, please come, enjoy
the food here.
yes, we
Really
thank
wonderful.
you. Yes, we loved it yesterday. So we will see you later on when we're opening our packet. Bye. Hi, we're back again. And this time I'm gonna show the different foods Mr. Mutu sells. Here we have fried tahu in sambal. Okay. Cabbage. Would you like to say?
Okay, this one cabbage mix, and then this one brinjal, and this one potato sambal, and this one sausage sambal, and this one chicken ketchup with spicy, and this one curry mix masala chicken, this one chicken gizzard, and then this one sardine sambal, and this one fried chicken, and this one ikan bilis sambal with the petai. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Gravy. This one murugai dal.
Moringa leaves, which is very healthy.
Yes, curry, yes. This one chicken curry. And this one is our one of special salted fish curry.
Okay. Here, this one is Alex's food. He has chosen all the varieties, and this is my portion. And we are going to sit down to eat and enjoy. I really hope that you all will come here. Again, this is behind Gleneagles Hospital in Georgetown Penang, and this is Service Road. Jalan Servis in Malay. Please come. Thank you. See you again later.
See you. Bye.
And I have to show you the...
There's a little one.
Hello. Boy. Hi. I really love this boy.